Hello guys, welcome to Codexotech. In this video, we will see how to download and install current version of Visual Studio Code in our Windows 10 machine. Let's open any web browser. Search here for vscode. You can see here code.visualstudio.com website. Click on first appeared website. Here we can see download option for Windows 10. Simply click on this. It will start the download in our computer. Here you can see download has been started. Wait for a while. After download succeed, double click on it. Click on I accept the agreement. Click on next. Again click on next. Next. Don't forget to tick these three options. Click on next. Install. You can see here Visual Studio Code started installing in our computer. It's been installed in our computer. Click on full screen. You can create a project from here, or simply you can create a text file from here. Select a language. I choose HTML for now. You can code here. For HTML programming, you can also download different types of extension for here. For example, HTML boilerplate, live server. It's important for coding. In this video, only this much. We are coming with new web development course. So be with us. Subscribe our channel. Thank you.